Welcome to Factory Vision Channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Each papaya is carefully selected for its vibrant color and ideal firmness.
Workers at stations select papayas for the dessert processing line, primarily medium and large sizes.
Section 17. Section 17. Papayas move through an automated topping machine that removes the stem end.
Section 30. Portioned papaya cubes from collection trays are transferred into clear plastic dessert cups.
Cooling complete, maintaining optimal freshness. Section 37. Workers at a packing station arrange the labeled papaya dessert cups into retail-ready boxes. The new sealing machine is much faster.
Yes, it has improved our packing speed significantly.
Ensure all dates and codes are legible. Checked and confirmed.
Section 42. Approved boxes exit the metal detector and move onto an accumulation conveyor.
Section 44 completed pallets, each carrying 72 identical boxes of papaya dessert cups, move onto a stretch wrapping station.
All right, this row's secure. Good, let's get these load bars in. Okay, all set. Have a safe trip.
It's at Listerides. At a papaya tree nursery within the farm, young papaya plants grow in organized rows. Work
Harvested papayas are field sorted immediately after picking. Workers at mobile sorting stations separate papayas by quality grade.
Load them up carefully. We need these at the factory soon.
Okay, these are looking good. Let's make sure the next batch is just as precise.
This is the same syrup added to the papaya dessert cups, prepared in batches to ensure consistency.
The papaya samples are looking good today.
Agreed, all readings are within acceptable limits for release.
Real-time data shows papaya processing rates, cup filling speeds, and sealing efficiency. Shift change complete. Production remains on schedule.
All clear, we're monitoring the line now.
Here's the shipment of papaya dessert.
Great, we've been expecting this. Let's get it unloaded.
Transcription, Section 74.
solar output is up 5% today.
Looks like the new panel alignments are working.
Section 83. The factory's sanitation team conducts end-of-shift cleaning. They wear yellow shirts, black pants.
The latest batch reports look good.
Agreed. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Good to take a break.
Yeah, that papaya line was busy today.
Okay, class, remember, proper handling is key for quality and safety. We're also focusing on food safety certification and transcription.
The sweetness is good, but let's try it with the darker syrup for more molasses notes. Yeah.
Agreed, that might enhance the caramelization profile.
Drop tests and seal strength tests ensure packaging protects product quality during distribution.
All right, I've got the manifest updated for shipment 74B.
Roger that. I'll confirm with dispatch for loading.
Morning. Just need you to sign in here and grab your badge. Sounds good. Here you go.
Technicians repair production equipment. Schedules ensure machinery operates reliably. Spare parts are organized. At our facility, the transition to night shift signifies our commitment to continuous production.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos. Thanks for watching how toothpaste is made from start to finish. Subscribe to Factory Vision for more complete manufacturing process videos.